Shiva Tattva, Shiv Shakti, Jiva Shakti. In Vrindavan, he's here as Gopishwar, Gopi, so he can give you the right direction. So Shiva can act as he can bring you to Krishna or guide you to Krishna, like Guru Shakti. So we won't find anywhere in Upanishads or Vedas or Shrutis or Bhagavatam that Shankar is God. He is only a power, one of the energies of God. So in Vrindavan, like a Shakti, Shiva becomes Gopishwar, which means Shaktis. So in the spiritual world, Shankar is serving like the gopis. And with Ram, he's acting as Hanuman. Hanuman's energy of Ram. Shiva expands as Hanuman. And then here in this world, he comes as Kailashnath, Vishwanath, Amarnath, Bholanath, Shankar. He's always chanting Hari Ram, Ram Ram, Hari Hari. Ravana, Kamsa, Jarasandha, they were all worshippers of Shiva. But they were destroyed by Bhagavan Ram or Krishna. It's very interesting irony here that although Ravana was worshipping Shiva, and Shiva came himself in his form as Hanuman and burned down the whole of Lanka. So this shows that Shiva is not supreme, and he himself is an energy or Shakti of Ram, and although Ravana was worshipping Shiva, Shiva could not become more powerful than Ram. And when Ram's desire was to destroy Ravana and destroy Lanka, then Shiva allowed it. He could not do anything to stop it. In fact, he assisted Ram in his expansion. There's Panchamukh Shiva and Panchamukh Hanuman. They are both Shakti, Tattva, servants of the Lord. So Shiva came as Hanuman to destroy Ravana's kingdom, which he received by the mercy of Shiva. The blessings of Shiva gave Ravan the vast kingdom and power and influence he had over the whole universe. And then that same Shiva, who's controlled not by his worshipper, like Ravan, but controlled by his Lord, Ramchandra, that same Shiva as Panchamukh Hanuman, the servant of Ram, the servant of Bhagavan Sri Krishna, or Bhagavan Sri Ram, he came to assist his Lord as his servant, as his Shakti, and destroyed the kingdom of Lanka, which was his devotee's kingdom, Shiva's devotee. So the conclusion is that if you worship Shiva as a devotee of Krishna, Vaishnavanam Yata Shampu, then he will help us in attaining Krishna. But if we worship Shiva as a supreme Godhead, or a supreme controller, the Lord of everything, then Shiva himself can come and destroy you. Although Ravana was a worshipper of Shankar, Shankar himself became Hanuman and destroyed Lanka and everything. He killed all his sons. Hanuman killed all the sons of Ravan because Ravan was against Ram. Kamsa was the same way. Kamsa wanted to kill Krishna, and he was worshipping Shiva in the form of a linga called Rameshwara Mahadev. So when Krishna and Balaram came for the wrestling match, Chanura and Mustik and all these powerful wrestlers and Kuvalayapita, they're all gathered together to gang up and kill Krishna. But then Krishna, when he simply jumped up in the dais to confront Kamsa, just by Krishna's jumping in the air, Kamsa died. The acharyas say that when he landed there, Kamsa was already dead. And then Krishna said, "Oh Kamsa, I want to play with you. You're like my uncle. I want to jump on your lap and play with you, but you've already died. What can I do?" So even without the tap in the chest, as it's depicted in Bhagavatam, hitting him in the chest just by the fear of seeing Krishna approaching him as death, Mrityu Sarvaharashchaham, Kamsa just fainted and died on the spot out of such severe fright, just seeing Krishna jump off the ground and approaching him. And this is the power of Krishna. So obviously his Ishtadev Shiva could do nothing to save him or protect Kamsa, just as Ravana's Ishtadev Shiva could do nothing to protect him from his Lord Ram. And then Shiva became Hanuman to destroy. So this deity that Kamsa was worshipping, this deity of Rameshwara Mahadev, he was right there in the middle of the wrestling arena. The deity is actually situated there in the middle of the Ranga Shala. Even today, although the whole city is built around the deity, at that time, in Kamsa's time, the deity of Rameshwara Mahadev, the Shiva Linga, was right in the middle of the wrestling arena. So in his form as Rameshwara Mahadev, Shiva was watching his great devotee Kamsa get killed. Shiva didn't do anything.